Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
So I have not vlogged all day. We've been in the house just chilling, and we are actually finally running out now to actually go do something, get out of the house, because it has been crazy. It was raining earlier, but now we are ready to go have some fun. Okay, let's go. We're finally heading out now. Yeah, so everybody is in the car trying to get themselves together. Last minute plans, so we just on it. I guess we'll get back to you when we reach where we're going, because we're doing other things. That's why we didn't come here this morning. Oh, light. So guys, that's where we are going. We will be family, and we are heading to over there. It's Rib Fest weekend, so we're going to enjoy ourselves. The kids are all excited. Look at these two here.
Mom, I'm a bed.
Okay, where are we starting first?
No.
Are you starting at the food section or at the ride section?
Ride
or we're
section.
just browsing?
Ride section.
No,
Yeah.
I know.
we eat same way.
No, make them eat, put them on the ride.
No.
And then
No.
no. Oh, that's well.
That they go too slow. Back home, that would have got us. Yeah, when I.
Yeah, but that's one that's more for view. So we are off. Oh gosh. And there is live presentation. Everybody's still waiting for it. These are all the different foods that they have. Oh, the onion rings, they smell so good.
No, they smell disgusting.
No, they don't. They smell good. And so these are all the different food, and you were just trying to see which one we want to go to. So which one are we picking to go eat?
No, I want protein. Okay.
What else do they have? Oh, cornbread.
No.
Cornbread.
No, I just want protein. Mario, is this your first breakfast?
Yes, it is. Because last year, yeah, it says both of them first ribs so fast. Because the last year I didn't bring him to one. So first for everything. You don't wanna what, Billy? So no, they have different stuff, so you can walk, and they have chicken. They have chicken as well. So just ribs alone. Currently in line, waiting to get some food. The ribs over there. Look at all the trophy that they won. Oh, he's doing that dance. Huh? You don't? Well, you go and see what's there. And then if you don't want anything, there's all the other lines that you can go. To. So we're just waiting in line to get some food. And Mario is over there. Waiting in line to get some more food. They're waiting on their food. I'm missing a child. She's somewhere in one of the lines over there. I think she went to go get a poutine. I saw that before.
And right, double time. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Move it. Shaggy. She never took her eyes off me. Walk out of your woman, walk on through your pillar. Witness what you're doing to your pillar. Better watch your back, what you're doing to a killer. Let's see who the situation is. Call dinner. I'll be a true player up in the hall to play. Never enough, until they get. Never admit to what she say. Nigga, when by you, you know it. Oh, honey, give wasn't me. Maddie.
So we're about to go on the ride. Let's go. Ride. Let's go that one. So they're gonna go see the ticket, babe. So the fair will go around, and then they have the fun slide.
Mommy, I wanna do that.
What? Oh, and they have these things that you can play. Yeah, I think.
You guys, strike your own tonight, guys. It's a prize every time. Anyone can play to get a prize.
So,
Come on down.
What you
I'm
have to
looking
do,
for
hit
some
it?
hammer singers and
Yeah,
some
you're
winners
supposed
in
to
here,
hit it,
guys.
and
Don't
then
be
if you
shy,
want
don't
to win a
walk by.
prize.
Come on down.
So you can go win one of those things.
Mom, I want to do that one and that one.
Yeah, I want to go do that one. That one looks
Can we buy tickets now?
Well, we're gonna wait first.
Oh, we want to go go-karting too. It's nice. We've just never been
Guys, every
go-karting.
time of
Oh,
night,
yeah, they have
strike it,
go-karts.
guys. I'm
I wanna
looking
go
for some hammer
go-karting.
singers
Huh?
and some winners. Come on
Are you
down.
gonna go do this?
Rissa, there's yours, the little baby dragon.
Let's go and Phoenix Striker. The one beside us there.
Oh, he fell off.
So, pardon?
The guy fell. But I would go on that Ferris wheel there. Oh, look, they have the little.
I wanna play
game
that.
stuff. Yes, we're all gonna go on it.
Mommy, I wanna do that. I do that.
We're supposed to stop.
I think we'll go. Eh? Yes. Behind me.
Ice Airways with their jets.
In a ride or just checking out all the rides? Trying to decide out which one you want to go on. This one? This one, that one's fun too, babe. The zipper. What did you get? Let's see. Let's see what you can do, babe.
Wait, see now. No, you have to get off all of them.
All of what? There you go. All right, let's go. You want to play with this? You want to go funny right there? Okay, what?
Come Mario, take it back Mario.
Come on, you can be.
They're not sure real bullets.
Little son is real gangster, eh? Yes, man, competition. Up top.
Chasing my soul of addiction, but now we are falling apart.
Where's the wrist off?
Yeah, tension between us just like you and Francis. You got issues that I won't mention, but now cause we're falling apart.
They just went on the drop zone. He's down here. He's going. Get him over there. Oh my gosh, I couldn't feel my heart. Your heart? Oh my god. I want to do it. I want to do it again. I want to do it again. My heart's beating so fast.
The kids are going on this ride here. It's called the Avalanche. So I'm going to. Where did they go? There they are. We always do that. Give me one on free. No, James is one free. I know, I can't wait for them to go to Canada. You're on the magic carpet ride. Oh look, they're coming down.
I don't see how that is supposed to be.
Paige, I figured you would have been able to push off quicker. I think you give them to those gentlemen over there. End up having a great time. So when you go Wonderland, you go going night? Oh, is that your excuse? So that's Ziggy's Ziggy excuse. Excuse. But you didn't even eat that much.
Why? I don't like it when you go.
Yeah?
Sean, we should get the funnel cake.
Funnel cake?
Whatever, we'll get at Wonderland.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
what's the sign?
Oh.
How much ribs?
I didn't even get to eat no ribs. So yeah guys, we are on our way home. And yeah. Oh, the ice cream truck's still open. So yeah guys, well the band is still playing, people are still drinking and enjoying themselves. But I think this is where we're gonna end the vlog and we're gonna call it a night, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and